Okay, so we're here at 3:30 in the morning again. Didn't see that one coming. Should have though. But we're finally done with what we wanted to do today, and we've done a lot, I think. All the panels have been fixed now, so this front panel is fixed. The side panels have been fixed, but we just took them off, and it's the same in the other side. We've mounted rings in here, and what they'll do is they'll grab around some a tube to run wires through, so that'll be easier for us. Then obviously we've assembled the vehicle. Hooray! Great progress. And we've put in the mount for the motor controller. And this is a cooling tunnel, and on the front of it over here we'll mount 3 fans, and the motor control will go on this surface. The last thing we did here was to actually reinforce this edge around here with the glass fiber, and we've actually found out by now that if we make a very thick, almost paste-like resin to begin with, or epoxy to begin with, it will be able to stick in these, even though it's 90-degree bends. We still had to round off the edge here in order to actually get it to not, you see, there's some air in here, but it would have been a lot worse if we didn't round the edge. But it's a 90-degree in here, and we actually managed to get that really well looking anyways. And that was just by adding some more Caro seal, it's called. It's a thickener for the epoxy, so that works brilliantly. Showed you the ramp yesterday, and it's still there. We cut out this thing that was in the way using a cup drill, maybe. Doesn't matter. It'll make a round hole, so a big one. And that worked out brilliantly. So now all of our positioning pins, they just fit in perfectly. We added this thing so that our 4 batteries will be fixed in there. Also, on the electronics department, the LCD display has now been attached. There's a small print up here, small PCB, and that's really all that does it. It's again connected via RJ45. It's a bit difficult for you to see, but I hope you can see it. And the small print that was just dangling there has been fixed as well. So all in all, very nice. And then there are the wings. We've made the wings in fiberglass as well. They had to be sanded down, and I think we got a very nice result from that. There are some unevenness, but that will just be sort of grinded away or sanded away, or we'll just fill in some material instead. Up here there's a small notch, and that's where the overlap is, so we can definitely just sand that down. So 2 of those. Very happy with that. We worked all through the night because we want this thing out and running tomorrow. Well, later today really. So I guess we'll go for a beer and... Oh, wait. The front wheel has been fixed. So that's in there now, with the wire running up here and through the front fork here. And those wires are coming out down here. So as I was saying, oh, I forgot to mention these again. So many things we've done today. These are for the rear view mirrors, sort of. We'll mount cameras that has an 80 degrees angle here, and that will serve as our mirrors. And we fixed those yesterday, and we drilled them up today. I think you can actually see through it there. so we'll just mount those there and pull the cables in there. Then up here we'll have some LCD screens that will display each of it. It's really simple because they just fit together with standard cables. It's really nice to work with. So, and I think that was it. I can't think of anything else. So off for beer and then off to bed.